afternoon, no. Good afternoon. 4:37 p.m. na dito sa Washington, USA. It is 8:37 in the morning sa Pinas, and I am doing live selling today. So sadly, yung features daw, yung mga filter sa sa Samsung, nawala na siya. So ito talaga yung real itsura. Anyway, for those of you who are new, we are a live selling page. We sell ukay-ukay, branded ukay-ukay stuff of galing dito sa USA, galing dito Washington, USA. I do free shipping from US to the Philippines via sea cargo. You can fill a box or share a box. Pag share a box, I will ship it to my distributor, and then my distributor will ship it to you. You are required to pay at least 50%, so I can ship the items to you, and then the remaining 50% is you will pay when the shipment arrive in the Philippines. But I would appreciate if you can pay it in full. But not everybody wants to or would like to, and that's okay. At least pay 50%. So it does takes about 6 to 8 weeks bago makarating yung item sa Pilipinas pag nag-leave na yung barko sa port, okay? So I just wanna make clarification kasi hindi naman ibig sabihin na pag i-drop ko siya today, automatic na aalis na yung barko, hindi ganon. So they have to fill the container van before it will, leave to going to wherever yung destination nila. So I'm trying to say is you need to be patient. If you're not patient, wag na lang po kayong sumali sa live selling. Wag na lang po kayo bumili sa akin. Pumunta ka na lang kayo sa mall or kayo na lang mag-ukay-ukay dyan sa Pilipinas. Okay? So that's all I'm asking you guys. I'm only willing to do business with people who are patient. Kasi kung hindi kayo marunong maghintay, wag na lang po. Okay? So sasakit pa ang ulo ko dyan. Anyway, we have new stocks today.